how to sign in Netflix. So if you want to sign in Netflix, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Netflix application if you have your application, or you can just simply go with your browser and search for Netflix. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.netflix.com and then click on the first option, which will take you to the official website. Now you need to go with the top right, which has that sign in option. So click on sign in and it will take you to the sign in kind of interface. Now you need to enter your email or your mobile number on the first blank, and you need to enter your password on the next blank. Once you enter your email and your mobile number, or email or mobile number and your password, you can just go with sign in. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. Or you can use a one-time code or a sign-in code by clicking on use a sign-in code, and you will receive a verification code or one-time password so that you can log into your account if you don't remember your password. But if you remember your password and your credentials, just simply enter it and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, then it will sign you into your account. So that's how you can sign in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.